Your call has been forwarded.
Of course. He's not allowed to answer the phone when he gets to his house. But anyway, yeah. Boom.
About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel. I'm gonna store at your beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet. Hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. I do that because it's like, I think I'm blending or something in my mind, I don't know. But anyway, yo, this video right here is gonna be a quick joint. I got an unboxing from 8 9 and I got a sneaker story for y'all. The Jordan 11, no, the date's not wrong or nothing like that. That has nothing to do with that. This is just a sneaker story about the Jordan 11s. So let's talk about them. I get the other one. Okay. So yo, boom. Air Jordan 11 Breds. These are like, I think.
Spit it out.
These are like my favorite Jordan 11s right here.
Explain yourself.
I would say so. Yeah. I would say so. Love these joints. Oh, shout out to Molly Mall. These your favorite too, boy. But anyway, if all that, I only need one for this talk. So I'm gonna take y'all back to, again, when I was a freshman, probably about a third year freshman in college. Yeah, I was a freshman in college and these joints had re-released and we was hyped to get them. We was dumb hyped, me and my homeboy. The one that I just tried to call, matter of fact, I'm gonna put the ringer up just in case he called. I'm asking one question, I'm gonna get him off. But anyway.
He puffed up.
Pause. I'm gonna get him off. I'm gonna get him off the phone.
Yeah, I thought so.
These joints was about to drop. This was around the time there wasn't no social media. We wasn't really on our Sprint phones like that with release dates. You only had to go, only thing we could go off of was Foot Locker's calendar, or my man, he had a Jordan calendar and we used to damn near worship that freaking calendar, yo, or hell yeah. We used to be like, yo, these are about to drop. So the calendar had these dropping. In my mind, I remember the date, it was the 17th. Now I don't know what month. I can't really be for certain about what month. I just know about the events. So anyway, the weekend before the 17th or whatever. My man, he goes down to the Chuck. I'm in the Ville, I'm chilling. And I happened to get a phone call on Sunday night.
Who the fuck is this?
He hits me up, he was like, yo, he said, yo, did the J's drop? So I like, nah, we would have them, you know what I'm saying? So he was like, yo, mad people down here got the J's. So I'm like, yo, did you go to a mall or something? I forget, I don't know how he responded, but after a minute or two, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna hang up the phone. I'm gonna call Foot Locker. So I called Foot Locker. I said, yo, did the Jordan 11, the Bred, they dropped? Or the black and red, I probably wouldn't even call them Breds back then, I ain't gonna lie to you. They were like, yeah. I said, two. Call my man back, I said, yo, the calendar was wrong. Jordan forsaked us, you know what I'm saying? Like, how could he do this? But yeah, so them joints had dropped. By that time, it was a dub on the PX. It was a dub. And let me stop on, it was a dub at the PX. That weekend for me, it was a ruined weekend. Number one, I think, we had a smoke fest. Okay, they had a smoke fest at the old flea market. They had a smoke fest, and I was supposed to take this chick out, but then last minute I found out that there was a smoke fest going on, and I ain't want to bring the chick to the smoke fest. You know what I'm saying? It's already there. You know? So I kind of like, I dubbed her. I made up something to dub her. But when I got to the smoke fest, it wasn't what it used to be. You know what I'm saying? Like, you couldn't bring in your own drinks no more. You had to buy it from Money Gang in there. Yo, so it wasn't that. Yeah, it wasn't. I kind of ruined myself right there. So I'm in the middle of trying to apologize to Shorty. I'm finding out that the J's dropped. You know, it's just a lot going wrong right here. Luckily, like I said, I was at work. The hours were bad or something, fast forward, and I was able to go to Shorty crib, and she was like, oh, can you bring me over some? I'm really only focused on these Jordans, but I'm trying to like, not just have everything collapse in my life. She was like, yo, can you stop at like Miami Sub and bring me some? I was like, all right, cool. Journey was taking too long. I called, I was like, yo, the line is crazy. And she stayed on this other side of town. And I stay on that side of town, but I'm gonna have to go to the other side of town, just come back, and she stays with her mother. So wasn't nothing going down. So anyway, get to her crib. We talking, we're kind of making up or whatever. She goes to the back room and then she comes back. I was like, yo, what's up? She was like, oh yeah, my mom, she's kind of mad. I was like, oh, what? You know what I'm saying? Like, damn, what? She like, cause you didn't bring her any Miami Sub and Grill.
What? Better give me some sucky with that.
The fucking nerve of you. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? I ain't stepping back up in that room. Anyway, so come that Monday, me and my man, like I said, the PX was done. Everybody copped from the PX, I do believe. So we copped them at the Foot Locker. This is back then when you could still cop the joints, but it was just like, yo, like we were supposed to have these, but it really didn't matter because like I said, we was in college. And when's the time to get fly? When you was at Fayetteville State?
I don't know, man, I don't know.
Wednesday, you know what I'm saying? Wednesday's the time to get fly, so we was good. So anyway, another win for me. My man had put this, and before y'all unload, pause. My man put this Outcast velour. It was an Outcast clothing, Outcast velour. He put the velour on layaway. That joint was black, red, and white. You know me, matchy. But he couldn't get both. You know what I'm saying? He couldn't get both. So I was mighty obliged, you know, to step in and get that fit.
Here, have a round on me.
It was like a win-win for me. And I'm telling you, yo, that Outcast joint was straight. I'm telling you, that joint was straight. Now, I never rocked nothing else Outcasty, no Snoop Dogg clothing, none of that crap. But that Outcast joint was straight. It was a velour, you know, saying like, you know, I'm telling you, word. So yeah, so ended up getting them joints. I still have them. They're actually in North Carolina. I lace swapped them too. I got like some, they're still the circle laces. They're kind of circly flat. They're not flat all the way, but I got some circle laces. They're like, they're black and red. Hit with them. I still got them, like I said, down south. Like my favorite joints, I got 3 pairs of these. I got that pair, I got these, and I got another pair, but size 9.5, and damn, they're kind of, I still got a dead stock pair. Check this out. If anybody got a dead stock size 10 or can almost give me what I paid, almost give me what I'm gonna have to pay to get a size 10, look out for me, you know what I'm saying? But you know, that's on another thing. But yeah, no, these joints hurt. They kind of do. You gotta wear like those thin socks. But anyway, for all that, hope y'all like that sneaker story. That, like I said, man, it was a struggle. A lot was going wrong. I thought MJ forsaked us.
In your eyes, forsaken me.
Kids, yo, y'all be lucky, man, because y'all got cell phones, y'all got apps and all that. Only thing we had back in the day was, like I said, the calendar and your alert. If you missed out was like 5 niggas rocking them. You know, right now, it's like, oh. But anyway, let's get into this unboxing. All right, cool. Ain't got no knife. I'm thinking that I'm missing one item. I believe so. And because I know for a fact, you know what I'm saying? But we'll get that on the, anyway. Yo, shout out to 89 though. Shout out to Figs89. Use my discount code WAVY. Save 25% off your purchase. Sorry. Okay. And shout out to my homie Yo_Trevi. But yeah, you can use my discount code WAVY. Save 25% off your purchase. And you check in the video link below. I have a direct link that lets you save already. Matter of fact, I got this Locks snapback from 89 Clothing too. Okay, damn, y'all got compact with it. All right, first off, this is something that I've been waiting for. Whoo, make some noise. Bam. I got my Drink Champs cups. One for P, one for Spook, the rest for me. You know what I'm saying? Make some noise. I got some wine right there, but there's no way that I'm gonna sit here and fill up a cup where I don't know where it's been and I'm just gonna sip up out of it. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's just pretend that, you know. But yeah, yo, so I did get my joints. Boom, 89, check it out. Drink Champs, shout out to Noise, shout out to DJ EFN. Yo, I'm ready to see that kid and play Drink Champs though, for real. And speaking of, yes, what's missing? I ordered a Drink Champs, what's this, a pillow. I ordered a pillow. You know me, I like my pillows. All right. Anyway, keep it moving. Okay, bet. Boom, I got my juice tea. Back when Pac was in the interrogation room. You know what I'm saying? Get that out the way. Cool, cool. I'll go, chilling. I got my, okay. Got that hockey jersey. I think I can get it in one good time before the weather changes up. Cash on delivery, 8, 9. Yeah. I'm gonna pump this. Yo, what y'all think? How y'all think I should pump this? Should I rock some kicks with some red in it? Should I do the shadows? Zach Freeman, you already know, man. You know what I'm saying? I'd take your word for it. But yeah, let me know, man, what y'all think. Boom. Already, ooh. Got a snapback for it though, my Grand Concourse joint. Whenever in doubt, word. So yeah, so that's my pickups from 89 Clothing. I appreciate y'all again. Remember, use my discount WAVY, save 25% off your purchase, or you can go in the video description below, hit that link, bam, straight to 25%. Yeah, you know. Oh, and they got like a big sale going on. Hopefully by the time y'all see this video, which would be like tomorrow, it'll still be going on. But yeah, nah, I like this joint, man. I ain't had a hockey jersey in a minute. I still wanna Chicago Blackhawks. I want a Blackhawks hockey jersey. But yeah, I like this joint, man. This joint pretty straight. Try it on, make sure it, hits correctly. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Put this joint right there. Boom. Drink Champs cup. One for P, one for Spoon.
All right, relax, man. I already heard. Go sit down.
I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with the channel. I really do. Everybody that's been commenting, hitting that like button. I don't know, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, no need to rock y'all to sleep. Don't forget, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be
look like he dead.
But that Snups.
Dead.
It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out. All right, yo, I had to share this with y'all because I did throw on the jersey when I first threw it on. It did fit kind of big, pause. But I figured, I said, you know what? This is a hockey jersey. They're supposed to be loose with it. So what I did was, because I was like, nah, I don't really like it. Just a hockey jersey on and that's it. You know me, I don't rock nothing how it's supposed to be rocked, but whatever. I threw underneath a hoodie, just take some of the space away, take some of that room away. And I do like how it fits. Here you go right here. Boom. I'm gonna definitely hurry up and rock this joint. I do like it. It looks smooth though. Reminds me of like some what is it? Sacramento Kings. LA Kings. But anyway, man, let me get up out of here, boy. Just want to share that with y'all.